Today's video is about how to shampoo Tangle free and includes a review on Shea Moisture's Hydrate Plus Repair Protein Power Treatment. What's up, people? Welcome back. And for those who are new here, my name is Jerry J, and this channel is all about taking full control of your 4C hair life. You don't need to pay or get advice from a licensed professional because everything you want is right here for your healthy hair growth needs. Okay, Team J, we are picking up from where we left off on how to detangle your curly natural hair, where we talked about focusing on the 80% of hair growth, which is length retention. If you didn't get a chance to see this video, I will post it in the iCards because this is part 2. As you can see, I'm in my already detangled twist, and detangling was yesterday, right? Really quick, I just want to show you how I wear my detangled hair in public when, as always, I have to schedule wash day around my life. Now on to the main purpose of this video. For tools, we have a hair tie, my shampoo crate. We're going to be using Alikay's Natural Black Soap Shampoo, 2 hair clips, and yes, gloves, baby. The shower is on, and I apologize in advance for my lighting issue, but it is what it is. Before applying shampoo, step 1, get that hair drenched in water. That's common sense, right? So why do people use dry shampoo to clean their hair? Ain't they just adding product on product? I don't know. Not everything in life is for me to understand. But as you can see, when I add my shampoo, I do keep my hair in twists for now and gently massage my scalp to remove any and all dirt. This video will be sped up, but I'll slow it down in certain scenes so you can see real time of how gentle I'm truly am with my hair. Believe me, you do not want to watch me in the shower for the full hour that I was in there, okay? I am a natural who puts shampoo on the actual strands of my hair, so I then divide my hair up into 2 sections and gently squeeze the shampoo in. And here's a close-up. So this is the first rinse, and it starts in the twist because I have a lot of hair. And it's hard to get the water to my roots when my hair is loose. Now here is the most important part when fully rinsing out shampoo that allows this process to remain tangle free. Again, I divide my hair into 2 sections, working 1 section at a time. I then take out my twist and rinse a second time, fully rinse my roots, and once with my hair loose to fully rinse my strands. This is very important to a tangle-free experience. Here's why I do this. Before, I used to shampoo and deep condition and twist, and later when taking them out to add my butters, oils, cream, I would still have old product caught up in my twist, which caused tangles. So I now rinse twice. Hack number 2 is, as you can see, the water is rinsing downward on my strands, so is the only direction I move my hands. At this time, I'm also pulling apart my hair to keep the ends from curling around one another. And if you didn't guess by now what hack number 3 is, it's keeping the other side of my twist up and not loose. Oh my God, this was such a game changer in my wash routine. It takes me about 30 minutes to fully rinse out one side of my head and add deep conditioner. But by not allowing the other side to hang loose or put it in a position where the curls could curl amongst itself, saved me the frustration of being in the shower absolutely too long. Think about it. While you are working on one side of your head, the other side still have some shampoo in it, old product, and is slightly air drying. I mean, You get it, right? Now, before we jump into this review, did you know you can now get text alerts of my new video uploads? Simply text the keyword natural hair with no space to the phone number that's on the screen. No more relying on YouTube for updates. And wait, that's not all. Do you need more help with understanding how to properly care for your hair? I understand that every body journey is different. Request to chat with me on the phone today. This service is a courtesy to my team J. This means you are subscribed, you have your notification bells turned on, and you help me grow my channel by sharing one of my videos on social media. All details are in the description box below. I just want to thank everyone for their love and support. I will be doing a giveaway very soon once I hit 100 subscribers. So please be on the lookout. Now to this review, people. This is my first time using the Shea Moisture Hydrate Plus Repair Protein Power Treatment. Oh, that's a lot to say. I brought this from Target for $10 and it smells like an earthly powder. Even though it's a thick texture, it applies very smooth to the hair. I could even tell through the gloves. But when I took those gloves off, girl, was I disappointed in how my hair felt. Yes, this deep conditioner has slipped and I was completely comfortable using a comb with this product. Yet my hair felt rough to the touch. In my mind, a conditioner's purpose is to soften the hair once applied. I had a lot of concerns about this product after applying it, before I put my cap on. However, after applying heat for about 30 minutes and letting the deep conditioner sit in my hair for over an hour, I can see why this product is a staple for most naturals. My hair was very soft and I was very pleased with the results. This deep conditioner gets an A for slip, an A for moisture, an A plus plus to the triple A for scent, but an F for whatever rough experience unknown category that I felt when I put this deep conditioner on. I do intend to purchase this product again, yet believe me, I will be keeping my gloves on. So there you have it. Hack number 1 is rinse twice. Once in your twist to fully rinse your roots if you have a lot of hair like me, and once with your hair actually loose to fully rinse your strands. Hack number 2 is only move your hands in a direction that the water runs, which is downward for everyone, so that you're not causing friction or additional tangles. And last but not least, hack number 3 is keep one side of your hair up and away in the twist while working on the other. Do not let out all your twists at once because the other side will eventually tangle up, air dry, which results in more manipulation and breakage. So that's the end of this video. I want to thank everyone for watching it to the end. Remember, every strand counts, and don't forget to check that description box for all the good things to come below.